Hi, I want to quickly show you how to plan your next project and create epics for that. And let's assume for this example here, we want to create a car subscription service like the one from Finn, which is a very great product that I can recommend. So let's say we want to build this e-commerce website where we have some wireframes already where the users can land on the page, browse some cars, and then select the car. And let's say these are our wireframes, and we want to create some epics for that so we can start working on it and building it. The first thing that we will do is let's create some screenshots from those wireframes. Okay, and next we will open our Zen AI Chrome extension here. We will navigate to guided flows. And what we want to do is we want to create epics to get some rough plan regarding the project and the features that we want to build. So let's move here. So yeah, we want to create epics for a completely new solution, okay? And there are documents that we want to consider. So let's now add the images that we selected, and let's maybe focus on the user. So we say we want to extract the user journeys from the images that we just took. So I'm selecting the screenshots that I just took a minute ago. And we basically let the AI extract the user journeys based on the image, as you can see here. And then let's select the next image, this one, browsing the cars, and the last one. Okay, cool. So what we have now here is we basically translated our wireframes into user journeys that we now have available in this Zen AI tool here. And we can use this context for the next steps. So here we can either select to generate epics now, or we want to discuss a bit and add more details and refine it because there might be information missing still. So let's maybe start this one. And now the AI will basically ask me and interview me to understand the project better and the goals and what we want to consider when we build this. So our primary goal of the project is to, let's say, we want to build an MVP for the e-commerce website. Okay, could you define the scope of the MP? What are must-have features? So we can either write it down ourselves, or let's say we want to derive it from the documents because I think they show the MVP. So let's see. Vehicle browsing and filtering, yes. Selection and functional setting up. Okay. User roles. Yeah, maybe let's propose an answer for the user roles. I think that's also quite obvious. We have customers and admin. Yeah, sounds sensible. Let's skip this question here on the non-functional requirements. External systems to be integrated. Let's say we want to integrate Stripe for handling payments. After selecting a car for payments, the user should be able to enter credit card information. Okay. So you get the gist. So basically the AI is will continue to interview me to get more details. And as soon as we have the feeling that we are ready to generate the first epics, we can just press this button here and compile everything into one document that we can also copy paste into whatever tool you are using. So that's it. Let's have a look. We have some must-have features and some nice-to-have features. So vehicle browsing and filtering, yes. Vehicle details, authentication obviously is important, and payment processing. So there's also some stuff that I would actually skip in the MVP. If you want to do this, we can say discuss to refine and basically start this interaction and add more details and then generate epics again. But yeah, I think for the demo, that's it. So what we just did, we basically translated wireframes from Figma into a first plan that you can use to further refine it in about 5 minutes. And that's it, yeah. Thank you, goodbye.